72 Impala LS swap, baby. Looking at almost 600 horsepower. We did our own wiring. We show y'all how to do that, YouTube. Step by step. We did our own fuel system. We show y'all how to do that as well. Step by step, YouTube. Everything you need to know, step by step. LS swap, baby. Got both donks in the garage now, man. Make sure you watch this video all the way through. Make sure you click that subscribe button. Make sure you turn on your notification bell. That way you see all the videos when we post them. And I need for you to drop me a comment in the comment section and say I'm riding with Chevys R Us, Tone. Let Chevys R Us help you do your LS swap, YouTube. We a family, man. We gonna do this thing together. Y'all ready? You too, you too. YouTube. We just out going on a little scroll, you know what I'm saying? Make sure that thing right. Make sure it's right, YouTube. Looking at the temperature. You know, we out here idling in traffic. Make sure it ain't running hot. All that there, you know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. I'm talking about right there. We're out here in traffic, man, in the 72 Convertible Impala LS3 swap. It's riding pretty good, y'all. Now that's what I'm talking about, man. Hey, we gonna hit this thing in a minute. Got me a little ice cream, a little snack. Y'all know what it is. Good. 72 Impala LS swap. Let Chevys R Us help you do your LS swap. You too, you too.